What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to use the remote start on a 2022 Chevy Silverado. Like I said, it's a 22 Silverado in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. This will also apply to the GMCC era. So if we take a look at our fob, what we need to do is press the lock button, then we're going to hold down the remote start button for at least 4 seconds. And now once the vehicle started, it'll run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off. In order to drive the vehicle, what we need to do is come over here, get in, and just as you normally would, we need to press the brake and the stop-start button, and now we'll be able to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.